Don't be foolish and run away from your furnace. Don't be foolish and run away from the furnace that the Lord has you in. It is folly to run away from the fire that is going to build you to get your reward. Do not run. Look up and depend on the Lord through the pain, through the aching, through the stress, through the excruciating circumstance. Look on the Lord. Do not run from your lion's den. Do not run from the furnace. Be like the 3 Hebrew boys and walk in there in faith. And watch how he will let you come out of there with not a burn, with not a scar. Do not run from your furnace. It's only through the furnace you can get your reward. So walk through this. Walk